Constructivism theory. Constructivism theory seeks to understand the world by examining how people and societies construct their own realities. This theory argues that the way we view the world is not objective, but rather subjective and shaped by our beliefs, values, and experiences, intersubjectivity. According to constructivists, international relations are not determined solely by material factors such as military power or economic resources, but also by ideational factors such as norms, identities, and culture. These ideational factors can have a significant impact on state behavior and can shape the outcomes of international interactions. Key concept. The key concepts in constructivism theory is the idea of social construction. This refers to the process by which individuals and societies create meaning and understanding through shared beliefs, norms, and values. Social construction can occur at both the individual and collective level, and can shape the way individuals and states perceive and respond to the world around them. Another important concept in constructivism theory is the idea of identity. According to this theory, identity is not fixed or predetermined, but rather constructed through interactions with others. Identity can be shaped by factors such as culture, language, and history, and can influence state behavior in international relations. The application of the theory. Constructivism theory has been applied to a wide range of issues in international relations, including conflict resolution, human rights, and global governance. Example of its application is in the study of norm diffusion, which examines how norms such as human rights or environmental protection spread across borders and influence state behavior. For Barkin, 2017, constructivism had been marginalized by these mainstream theories because it focused on social construction instead of material construction. Under this, the development of Alexander Wendt's constructivist theory gained attention in academia and began to stand out. Wendt published Anarchy is What States Make of It, The Social Construction of Power Politics in 1992. Regarding the idea, Wendt emphasized that the identities and interests of purposive actors are constructed by these shared ideas rather than given by nature. The principle of determining national interests. Previous mainstream theories of international relations insisted that national interests are premised on material factors. But Wendt's constructivism believes that national interests are constructed by shared ideas, rather than material factors. Wendt interpreted that everything has a material base, for example bodies for people and territories for states. In addition, Wendt illustrated the actions of actors depend on their interests. Therefore, according to Wendt's constructivism, the actions of actors are also influenced by shared ideas. Rationalism treats identity and interest as exogenous factors and constants. Example, application of constructivism theory is in the study of identity politics, which looks at how identity-based conflicts such as ethnic or religious tensions arise and how they can be resolved. Constructivism theory suggests that these conflicts are often rooted in differences in identity and can be addressed through dialogue and recognition of shared values and interests. The critique of constructivism. First, lacks of empirical evidence to support its claims, and relies too heavily on abstract concepts such as identity and norms. Second, downplays the importance of material factors such as economic power and military strength in shaping state behavior. Critics argue that while ideational factors may play a role, they are ultimately subordinate to material factors in determining state behavior. The issues for analysis. The issues such as conflict resolution, norm diffusion, and identity politics make it a valuable tool for understanding the complexities of international relations. The emerging issues such as climate change and cybersecurity. Constructivism theory. Constructivism theory seeks to understand the world by examining how people and societies construct their own realities. This theory argues that the way we view the world is not objective, but rather subjective and shaped by our beliefs, values, and experiences, intersubjectivity. According to constructivists, international relations are not determined solely by material factors such as military power or economic resources, but also by ideational factors such as norms, identities, and culture. These ideational factors can have a significant impact on state behavior and can shape the outcomes of international interactions. Key concept. The key concepts in constructivism theory is the idea of social construction. This refers to the process by which individuals and societies create meaning and understanding through shared beliefs, norms, and values. Social construction can occur at both the individual and collective level, and can shape the way individuals and states perceive and respond to the world around them. Another important concept in constructivism theory is the idea of identity. According to this theory, identity is not fixed or predetermined, but rather constructed through interactions with others. Identity can be shaped by factors such as culture, language, and history, and can influence state behavior in international relations. The application of the theory. Constructivism theory has been applied to a wide range of issues in international relations, including conflict resolution, human rights, and global governance. Example of its application is in the study of norm diffusion, which examines how norms such as human rights or environmental protection spread across borders and influence state behavior. If you need to know more about constructivism theory, please read the references that reserved by lecture.